In this video, I explain representation of characters in a computer. In the last video, I have explained how can we represent numbers in a computer. You know, characters are alphabets in English language, or in the alphabets in any language that are commonly known as characters. How can we represent these characters in a computer? For representing characters in computer, generally we use four codes. First one ASCII, EBCDIC, ISCII, Unicode. These are the four character representation codes that I will explain in this video. Characters, I have already told, characters are alphabets in languages, and special symbols: dot, quotation, single quote, less than, greater than. These are the symbols that also include in the characters. First one, ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the standard provided by the US government. After that, it became widely accepted. ASCII is a unique integer number assigned to each character. In ASCII code, there are unique numbers for each characters. There are two types of ASCII, ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. ASCII code for A65. Its binary equivalent in ASCII 7-bit is 1000001. In this binary, there are 7 bits. So in ASCII 7 bits are used to represent a character. Here I have given one example. That is the code of A, capital letter A. Capital A in hexadecimal 65. In binary it is 1000001. Since there are exactly 128 unique combination of 7 bits. So using 7 bits, we can represent 128 unique characters. So ASCII 7 code can represent only 128 characters because 2 raised to 7 is 128. But in the case of ASCII 8, there are 8 bits to represent each characters. So we can represent 2 raised to 8, that is equal to 256. Using ASCII 8, we can represent 256 different characters. For example, the letter A, capital letter A, is represented by 01000001 and B by 01000010. In ASCII 7, there are only 7 bits. In ASCII 8, there are 8 bits for each characters. Using ASCII 7, we can represent maximum 128 characters. Using ASCII 8, we can represent maximum 256 different characters. These are the two differences between ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. Next, EBCDIC. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. It is similar to ASCII 8. It is used in computers manufactured by the company International Business Machines, that is IBM. It is capable of encoding 256 characters because it uses 8 bits to represent each characters. ASCII codes and EBCDIC code can be transformed to each other. If one computer uses ASCII, so we can convert EBCDIC code to ASCII, and we can convert ASCII code to EBCDIC code also. Interchange between ASCII and EBCDIC codes are possible. Next, ISCII. ISCII stands for Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange, or Indian Script Code for Information Interchange. It is an encoding scheme for representing various writing systems of India, that is various languages in India. ISCII uses 8 bits for data representation. So ISCII use 8 bits to represent each characters. So using ISCII we can represent maximum 256 characters, that is 2 raised to 8. It was developed by a standardization committee under the Department of Electronics of India government during 1986-88. Now it is adopted by Bureau of Indian Standards, and the ISCII is maintained by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, which is an organization under India government. Nowadays, ISCII has been replaced by Unicodes that we will explain next. Fourth character representation code is Unicode. ASCII, EBCDIC, and ISCII uses 7 or 8 bits, which represent 128 to 256 characters only. This cannot represent all characters of written languages of the world and other symbols. So, in the world there are a lot of languages. 256 characters are not able to represent these different characters in different languages. Unicode provides a unique number for each characters, no matter what the language and platform be. So Unicode is used to represent characters or alphabets in various languages, various regional languages. So Unicode is used to represent characters in regional languages. Regional languages means language other than English. Unicode originally used 16 bits, which can represent up to 65,536 characters. It is maintained by the non-profit organization called the Unicode Consortium. So the first or the main advantages of Unicode is Unicode is used to represent regional language characters. Unicode can represent data in almost all written languages of the world. Now, Unicodes are available in almost all languages of the world. These are the 4 codes that are used to represent characters in computer. If you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you.